Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. I worked a decade at IRS. I've been in tax defense for 41 years. I'm a national expert in resolution matters. I've been on all the major TV stations. Just go to my website at 777irs.com and learn about me. And no, my dog is not dead. She likes to get bonus points back there. Yeah, she thinks she's going to get an appearance fee by sucking up to me and laying right behind me. Anyway, what I want to talk to you today about is you can avoid IRS seizures and these threatening letters by calling IRS. I have worked thousands of cases. I know the IRS system well. If you need representation or answers, you may want to call me. By the way, I answer my own phone. Just so you know, IRS sends a series of letters to you. The computer does that. There's not a person looking at your case and monitoring your case saying, what are we going to do with, no, the computer actually has hold of your case and they're sending all these letters, the LT14, the 501, the 503, the 504, the L1011, the 1058, any series of letters where your case is at with IRS. A simple phone call tells IRS, hey, I want to take care of my problem. But therein lies the problem, because what is IRS going to do once you stop it? So the day you call, you can get the case put on hold, or you can start the process of resolution. I am telling you, if you live day to day, you don't make a lot of money, just call IRS. Nothing is going to happen. If you owe over about $50,000, $60,000 in tax, do not do this, because the more you make, the more IRS thinks you have, and the more they want to get in your pocket for a large payment agreement. IRS is going to look at your financial statement that you must give them when you call them. They're going to want a 433F at the service center, and that's when kind of all hell breaks loose, because you are not going to be ready for how IRS is going to take your expenses and put them down. IRS isn't going to use your expenses. They're going to use their national standard program. You want to know what the national standard program? Google them. Google the IRS National Standard Program for food and clothing, housing and utilities, car payments and car expenses, and you are going to find out you are going to get waxed. You're going to wind up with a big payment agreement to IRS, because IRS wants to get money from you, so they are going to use the lowest amount of expenses that they can get, so you bump up the payment to them. So if you owe more than $50,000, you probably should call me. I've been doing this a long time. Our whole team has been doing this about 250 years of just direct IRS work experience. I know we're really old people, but we're really good. So if you're having a problem, give me a call. I'll explain it to you. I answer my own phone. Give me a subscription. By the way, you can always email me or text me, and I can go ahead usually give you an answer. But usually I take your case, I review it, and I put you in the best light to IRS and resolve it. Thank you very much for listening. I appreciate the subscription today.